how to manually add contact to Apollo.io. So first, go to your account, and next is just click on people here at the top left. Okay, now let's just wait for this to load. Okay, now once this finishes loading, just click on import here at the top right, then click on single contact. Okay, now from here, you just need to fill in all of the basic information of this contact that you're going to add. So I'll just type in first name, I'll just type in, let's say, Michael, and then last name is Michael Reeves, and then primary email, I'll just type in test email, and then you can just fill in all of the details, all of the next details of your contact. So let's say you're done doing all of that. Once you're done that, just click on save contact here at the top right, and there you go. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.